everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and if you're looking for a delicious, chewy, and gooey cookie recipe to satisfy your sweet tooth, then you'll want to try this copycat version of Crumbl's chocolate chip cookies. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of milk chocolate chips. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, milk powder, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a separate bowl or stand mixer, beat the softened butter with the sugar and brown sugar at medium speed until light and fluffy. Scraping the sides of the bowl is necessary. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing for about 10 to 20 seconds in between. Add the vanilla extract and mix for an additional 30 seconds. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix just until moistened. Do not overmix as this will affect the chewiness of the cookies. Gently stir in the milk chocolate chips. Use a cookie scoop to place balls of cookie dough on parchment paper-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Bake at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until the cookies begin to turn golden brown on the edges. Remove from the oven and allow to rest on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. I hope you enjoy these delicious chocolate chip cookies as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com, where you can also find more delicious recipes. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.